Psycho Whale 24 here, and we're unboxing a Halo Legendary crate.
And P. Von Byron,
And
your assistant.
P. Von Byron, yeah. Alright.
Legendary.
Don't know which way this is, but hope this is the right way. Dang it! Crap. It's not facing the right way. Alright, so we got a nice picture of Master Chief there.
Top secret.
Eyes
Info.
only, no, click off the video.
Eyes only, so don't smell it, I guess, or don't listen to it.
Don't smell it, only eyes. I'm just gonna adjust the camera here. Only eyes, so no one sniffed the video, no one listened.
Board Observer Module Functional Overview.
Nice.
Cool.
So everyone, don't listen to this video. Don't smell the video. Don't lick the video. Eyes only. Alright. Wanna open that for them?
Halo icons.
Screenshot.
Screenshot.
Can't remember what that is from Halo. If anyone does, leave a comment.
I'll open this while Christian goes on to the next one.
And so, don't know what this is. Kind of looks like the Illuminati, so.
Illuminati, no. What's in the
That's
box?
sweet. It's a water bottle.
Oh.
Touch and you'll lose an arm, guys. Don't touch this. If you get this, don't touch it because you'll lose an arm. Touch and you'll lose an arm. So if you get this, don't touch it. You will lose an arm. Someone will break into your house and cut your arm off.
It's a pretty sweet hunter figure there.
Nice.
Going up to the game room.
Alright, so we got a sweet tea.
Sweet tea. I like my tea's unsweet, but
Not
Oh,
really a
it's-
good joke.
interesting color. Maybe Nina can wear this one.
Oh yeah.
Greetings from Reach. Stay classy.
Alright,
Alrighty.
so we got a nice poster there. If this could unroll correctly, that would be perfect. A nice poster of a meal. And Master Chief in the background. So everyone sees that. Got a nice view.
Sweet pin here.
No
Fall
tea.
of Reach. Let me show my thing.
Alright, got a nice pin there. Nice blue, because everyone knows that I love blue, and so does he. Everyone here loves blue. Oh, crap. Nice cooking
In case you
apron.
feel like cooking. Cooking
Okay.
some alien.
Yes.
That's sweet.
Oh, I think it's, if anyone knows who that is, leave a comment. But I believe it is that guy in the middle right there, Emil's. I believe it's his chest plate.
Nice.
Alright.
I think I'm hungry now.
Yeah. We're gonna go make some breakfast.
Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks.
Croissants already?
Croissants are ready. And we will see you when's the next Loot Crate coming? Like next week?
Who knows? No,
2
probably
weeks?
a month.
Whenever we get the next Loot Crate. So,
We'll see them when we get
We'll
the
see you
DJI
then.
goggles.
oh yes. Yes, because we got a DJI Spark. So
Yep.
that's gonna be epic. We're gonna unbox that, we're gonna show some videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.